What does that smell like? Well, it's a little teen spirit. This video, fucking, I don't know, dude. Let me do it again. Sorry, dude, I'm like totally losing my train of thought here. Don't move this way. So this and this. What if I just started crying? Yeah, no, this is good. They'll like this. Nirvana. It's easy to play. That's the point. Here we go. There you have it. His little smells like teen spirit. And that's what we're gonna learn today. It's Spencer back again with another video on soloing. This is part of our series of easy, quick solos for you guys to learn if you're new to soloing. And guess what? You do not have to be a shredder to play the lead guitar. So if you're interested in those sorts of things, make sure to like and subscribe, and you can find our whole playlist of reasonable, easy solos that you can learn quick to impress your friends and neighbors and anyone in your social circle. Or, hey, let's dress for the job we want, not the job we have. Let's ascend to social circles with how good you're gonna sound playing this solo alone. We're gonna start in the 4th position, middle finger on the 5th fret of the G string. And then first finger's gonna play 4 on B to the 6th fret on B with your ring finger. And then we're gonna position shift to 1st position. Your first finger will play 1 on G. So that's like our main motif here. Cool, and then we're gonna bend 4 on the B string with our ring finger. So you'll pick it once normal and then bend. Bring it back down. 2, 1 on B. So far we've got. And then next phrase is. So that's 2 to 1 on B, 3 to 1 on G, hit 3 again, bend, 1 on G, then open G. You're gonna play that whole phrase again. And then the second half of the solo is 1 to open on G. Then the ending of that is 1, 0, 0, 3 on D. You'll do that, I believe, 4 times. Keep it going. Feels good. And then just let that ring out. Turn your amp up, let it feed back, piss off the parents. You get it. And there you have it. Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit me in the comments with what song you want me to do next. Any questions, comments, concerns, and the like. Be sure to subscribe. We will be back with a lot more guitar instruction. You do not need to shred to impress your friends with the rock and roll lead guitar. See you next time.